We are delighted to present the next generation of wireless nurse call system. This duress alarm system from FORBIX Semicon caters for hospitals, offices, guest houses, and similar facilities where need to call an attendant for help. The solutions comprises of wireless remote controllers and an LCD display monitor. Pressing a remote flashes the corresponding number on the screen, along with a beeping voice alert. There is no need of installation or any wiring. Let us show you with a quick in-house working demonstration. These are the RF wireless remote controllers. And this is the receiver device that connects to the LCD monitor via a VGA cable connection. Pressing the top button on the remote alerts the receiver with a beeping sound, and the corresponding number flashes on the screen. Once the attendant has serviced, he or she needs to press the bottom button to withdraw the call from the queue display. The receiver unit also serves D4x7 data logger. It continuously records the time when a remote was pressed, and the time when the person was attended. This data can then be post-processed for weekly or monthly profiling. The log data is saved in a removable SD card. To know more, visit our website www.forbixindia.com or talk to us at the numbers shown.